Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the miler camshaft position sensor used in the video under the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. The camshaft sensor is located between the turbo solenoid valve and the throttle body. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. To access the sensor, start by unscrewing the nuts holding the turbo solenoid valve using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 10mm socket. Then move aside the solenoid valve. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the throttle body position sensor. Take out the sensor. Next, using a pry bar, unclip the electrical harness from the plastic crankcase. You can now see the camshaft position sensor. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the camshaft position sensor. You can use a screwdriver to remove the sensor. Then disconnect it.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the miler parts and products used in the video through the link in the description. Take the new sensor. You can oil the sensor seal to ensure perfect water tightness. It also makes assembly easier. Then reconnect the sensor. Put the camshaft position sensor back in place. Then screw the screw back in. Clip the plastic crankcase electrical harness back on. Put the throttle body position sensor back in place. Then screw the screw back in. Put the turbo solenoid valve back in place. Then screw the nuts back on. Reinstall the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.